Hey guys, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. So I'm sorry it has taken me a few extra days to do this. I totally missed the mark. But anyway, so let's give this box away with all the goodies included. So I have already pulled up the random comment picker. So I need to come here and I need to get the URL, which is right there. I think I copied it. Yes, I have copied it. And then go to the random picker. I cannot do this, guys. And paste. Get YouTube comments. 19 comments. Okay. And then I come down here and I start. Guys, first of all, let me tell everyone, thank you so much for playing along. It really means a lot to me, and I think I like this. So I'm going to do another giveaway in a couple of weeks. Well, maybe a little bit longer. In July, I'll do another giveaway. But first of all, thank you so much, ladies. I appreciate your love and support, and let's get a winner. Let's see, the Thrifty Mom. All right, lady, you have won. Okay, so I'm going to leave my email in the description box. Please give me, send me an email and send me your address so that I can go ahead and send this off to you. Thank you so much for playing, lady. I appreciate you, and I will talk to everyone later. Guys, don't mention her name in the comment section, please. I appreciate that. You have 5 days to get in touch with me so I can send you your package, which is ready to go. Thanks a lot, guys. Talk to you everyone later.